Are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black pin shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unroll it in. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them to the one say a worldwide thing. Hear me? Bring a right.
Like to go up the road, yeah. So I'm like, no, hold up, stop, honey. I need to speak to you real quick. I didn't say that at the time, but I was like, yeah, you need to pause. So I was like, is your name? She was like, yeah. And I had it in my hand while I was there, you know. Obviously now everything's rocking, everyone's rocking now, rocking. Everyone's like, get off of her. Hey, Msjulzb, what's popping? Hello, hi. I hope you've all had a wonderful day, evening, night, whichever time you're watching this. I hope it's been brilliant. Let me know by leaving a comment down below. I want to know how your day has been because you are part of the family, Msjulzb.
Hello, me new Jules. Hello, me old Jules. Hello, me in between Jules.
Alright, so today we got another story time. Can I get a whoop 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 whoop? So basically, yeah, imagine one time I put the paws on one girl. Yes, honeys, because you know. But in reality, I shouldn't have put my paws on that girl because you know it was my nigga's fault. But hey ho. Alright, so this is what happened. One time I found out my nigga cheated on me, yes. Pretty as I am, he thought he could cheat on me. The brightness. So what had happened was I found out who the girl was. She went to his school because he was in sixth form, she was in school, so she was 2 years younger than us. Yeah, I found out what time school finished, and me and my girls, we trotted along to the school because we were bad. Yeah man, but we bad from we born. That's why we want. So I'm laughing because the story is so funny. We rolled up to the school now, like we thought we was a mafia. Get me? Like we rolled up now. When we get to the school, we had seen one of her friends. We were like, oh, where's this girl? Like, she's like, oh, she's coming, just wait there. The friend snaked her. The friend snaked her. Yes, honeys, the friend snaked her. Alright, cool. So we get there now. We're waiting. Man, them come out. Man, them are like, bruh, why are you girls here? Who are you? You don't go to the school. Like, we've never seen you. So we're thinking, bruh, shut up. Because one, we're older than you. Two, it's none of your business. So they all start lingering around. So teachers out there driving past in their car. And they're all looking like, who are these girls? But because we're bad friend with Barna, you know, things set. We just stood there like, So eventually the girl came out of school now. She's looking at us like, who are these girls? So she's walking to come out of the complex, like to go up the road, yeah. So I'm like, no, hold up, stop, honey. I need to speak to you real quick. I didn't say that at the time, but I was like, yeah, you need to pause. So I was like, is your name? She was like, yeah. Because this girl's taller than me and I'm quite short. I was like, what? Did you beat Dre? She was like, well, I'm not really my fault, you know. I don't mean really do it that he invite me to your home. So basically saying that my man pressured her to beat him. So I'm thinking, what, you trying to say my man's a rapist now? Felicia, stop. I was like, rah, but did you not open your legs and like sesame to him? She was like, yeah, but it's not really my fault because obviously like he invited all of us around his house and then I was like, ah, cool, she's waffling. So you know what Msjulzb done? She went, BAM! Yeah, you heard me, but it wasn't straight. It was more of an uppercut. Not uppercut. It was more like I had to jump because this girl was tall. And yeah, she was even taller than my man. He's an idiot. At the time, she said I had to kind of jump and go, boom. See, after me do that, yo, World War III start, I know. So obviously we're rolling now, and I remember there was a silver car parked up in the drive. Well, not in the drive, but on the side of the road now. So we're banging. But to be quite fair, for a tall girl, she wasn't packing nothing, fam. She wasn't packing nothing. So obviously I got her on top of the car bonnet now, and I was like, bam. I was beating the shit out of this girl. I was beating her up. I was beating the life out of her. So this time,
so you used to go with them things at school?
So at this wasn't school, this was in college. So at this time now, I was obviously throwing them paws like bam, bam, bam. Then my best friend at the time, my best friend, she jumps in now. So it's 2 against 1, which is wrong. I know this video is not promoting violence. I don't condone it. I don't, you know, I was young. So obviously we're now rolling and we got the car bonnet and all this stuff. And then obviously, I don't know, but I grabbed out her scoochie. For what reason, I don't know. Scoochie means a hairband scrunchie. And I had it in my hand while I was there, you know. Obviously now everything's rocking, everyone's rocking now, rocking. Everyone's like, get off of her, it wasn't her fault, it wasn't her fault, it was Dre's fault, he invited us to the house and that. I was thinking, so you didn't just beat him, but you beat him in a house full of man them nasty. So everyone's getting heated now. And all the man them was like, feds! Yeah, you should have seen these little short legs. These short legs was gone. So it's gonna stay around when you hear the words feds, yeah. And it wasn't feds, it was actually school feds. So it was this I don't know what you call them, school maintenance people, whatever, I don't know. Someone to like, you know, make sure there's nothing going on after school. Them things there. But they called out feds. So you know, Msjulzb took her little legs and she was gone. Like, I tell you, I was gone. Listen, I was gone, yeah. So it was 4 of us. So 3 of us was obviously pacing it down the road now. We were vroom, 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 vroom. We were proper pacing it, yeah. My girl that jumped in the fight now, she was pacing it as well. Halfway down the road she stops. So obviously she gets caught, yeah. They bring her back into school and they were like to her, oh, you're banned from the area, you can't come back to the school. So she got a pat on the wrist, innit. So after that now, cause my boyfriend at the time had lived behind the school, we had them walk to his house, and I was like, boom, boom, boom. He comes out, he's like, why do you look like that? Why are you so angry? So, you know, I was there cussing. I was like, you stupid idiot. You took me for a mug. After I was there trying to get you a phone, and these times you were beating that gat, I was going mad. And I had a little bit of a swollen hand because I put the paws on her, do you understand? And then he went into his house and he got me bag of ice to put on my hands, and you know, that was it really. But yeah, man, Msjulzb did beat her bad. At the time when I was just like, what's your name? Like, are you the girl that I'm kind of looking for? Yeah, the girl was all looking at me like, why are you questioning me? So I had to let her know, like, yo, like, don't look at me like that, because at the end of the day, you violated it. You knew you had a girl, so why would you go there, kind of thing. Yeah. And it had to, we just rocked it out. We just rocked it out one time. But man them was all there like, yeah, like, beat her up, yeah, she's a hoe. All them things there. I did feel bad because she had to go home with no scoochie, no hair. Her hair was all pulled up. But funny enough, that's my little story time done for you today. I know it's shorter than usual, but I didn't want to like drag it out, make it longer than it had to be. I didn't want to have to make it longer than what it had to be. I just wanted to like do a story time, and yeah. But that was 4 years ago. 5 years ago. That happened 5 years ago. I put my paws on them girl, because you know what? Msjulzb now take no bad chat from nobody. Must be mad. I'm joking. It was wrong. I don't condone violence whatsoever. When I was younger, I think in my entire life, I've only ever had 3 fights. That's it. I'm now 21, and I could tell you I haven't had a fight since that fight. Since that fight happened, I haven't had a fight. Like, it's not worth it. Like, at the time, I was sad, heartbroken. I was like, how can he do this to me? How can she do? But the thing is, it was a stupid fight, because you know why? The girl did not owe me nothing. The girl did not owe me any loyalty, because at the end of the day, she wasn't my brethren. Who owed me loyalty was my boyfriend at the time, Dre. He should have been a lot more loyal. Do you understand? Yes, man. So if you are gonna fight a girl because you're a man, don't do it. Don't do it. It's your man's fault. Check your nigga. Check your nigga before you check the girl. And if they're both at fault, beat them both up. No, I'm joking. Do not beat no one up. It's just not worth it. It's It's petty. Like, I could have moved on. Do you understand? Like, he made his bed. He should have laid in his bed. I should have just moved on. Anyways, me Jules, be sure to subscribe. So you become one of the family members. You become one of me Jules. Make sure you comment, like, and share it. Share it on every platform possible. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Back to your mom, your grandma, your granddad, your mama, your uncle, your cousins, your enemies. Like, share it, honey. We want the family to grow. Right now our family has 102, 103 members. Yeah, we want our family to grow to 1 million. We want our family to be worldwide. We want our family to be international by the grace of God. Yes, honeys. So me Jules, just share it. Share it wherever. Even if you don't like it, share it. If you like it, share it. Just share it, yo. Share it, honey. So this is Msjulzb, and this is a story time. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching my story time. Do please come back for another story time. I will be releasing story times are going to be coming out once a week or every fortnight, depending on my schedule. Yes, honey. But it was nice talking to you once again. I love all my jewels, every single last one of you, because every single last one of you have subscribed. So you are my jewels, my in between jewels. Get a grip and subscribe, because you won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed ever. And I told y'all, when I
get mad, when I I'm joking, but
important notice. Msjulzb wants to start a advice column and agony aunt series on here, and it will be called Chit Chat with Jules. No, Chit Chat with Miss Jules. So you can either DM me on my social media platforms, or you can email me. My email address is in the description box below, or I'll just leave it right here for you to see. I want to start it. You can literally email me anything and everything. I love mix-up. I love it, man. I'm joking. I don't love mix-up, but I will answer every and anything. And of course, your name will not be. I won't say your name, and I won't say your age. However, I can't really do that. But just give me a try. My advice are A1, like 100. They're 100. Just give your girl a chance, cause they're 100. See you later, my beauties, and see you later, my handsomes.